I I will finish this project nighttime. It's already 5:30 in the afternoon in the Philippines. So the uploading may be tomorrow early morning because our internet here is so traffic during daytime, late afternoon or from 7 p.m. to 10. It's so traffic. I cannot upload my videos. So I will wake up early in the morning tomorrow. So this one, I will use buttons for this brown pan. I will put it on the middle. I have no big button. So like the hook, next time I forgot because next time I will use this for my next project. Okay, let's start. Because I saw on my studio app, YouTube studio app, that there are many interested in installation of buttons. Okay, just like that. So this one has 4 holes, so you can make a design on the stitching. You can make X like that or straight like that. There is a 4, right? So I will make a design like XX like that. Okay, so it is different to the normal one, just like that. Oops, be careful because blood will come out if I will hit my finger. So this one, it is an X there, going there. After maybe 8 times doing that, I will go again the other way around, X, so it will be have the same different design. Okay. Maybe this one will take only 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. I hope it will earn 1 million views with this. It's so funny, right? Be careful because blood will come out if you hit your finger. I don't have big button. This one will do because I will put pocket holder right after this video. After I will still cut the hole for this button. So I will go now the other X. You see, I'm very afraid I will hit my own finger. It's not nice to be hit always by needle. Even I'm washing it with water and soap. There. You see, this is what I'm saying. X, right? It's more pretty to look than the straight one like that. Okay. it's good to be busy than nothing. A senior like me, right? Even you have pension, you need to move on, find a way to earn another income. And it's good for the brain to be busy, doing something that makes you enjoy what you're doing. Sewing is not a low position. Even they prefer it's a low position. I don't mind, as long as I can help others to learn, right? And I have a knowledge in accounting. That's a great skill. I started teaching in Facebook, but it's only a brief. In my ebook, it's a complete teaching there. So I'm locking now the stitching. There you go. Okay, I will keep my needle. So this is the outcome. It's X. So the next video is slashing the hole, right? Thanks for watching.